Simon Ekpa, the self-acclaimed Prime Minister of Biafra, a lawyer based in Finland, and perhaps the most controversial voice in the Southeast today. Just days ago, reports surfaced that Simon Ekpa has been arrested again in Finland. But hours later, news broke that he was released. No charges, no bail. So the question is simple. Was Simon Ekpa really arrested? Or is something deeper going on behind the scenes? Let's go back to the events of last week. Finnish media reported that Simon Ekpa was invited by Finnish police over alleged violations related to online incitement and hate speech. But here is the twist. It wasn't directly connected to Nigeria. In fact, Finland has received multiple complaints from Nigeria activists, human rights organizations, and even international observers. Why? Because Simon Ekpa has been accused of instigating sit-at-home orders, leading to loss of lives, attacks on markets, and schools shut down in the southeast. But when questioned by Finnish authorities, no formal charges were brought. He walked free again. So, was this just a show to calm Nigeria pressure? Or was he never truly in legal danger? Supporters say Simon Ekpa is a freedom fighter. They call him the voice of the Biafra, claiming he is fighting for the liberation of the IPOB people from political oppression. But his critics, including many in the southeast, say he is a keyboard warrior, causing real bloodshed from thousands of miles away. Let's not forget, during his sit-at-home campaigns, over 100 lives were reportedly lost, shops burnt, students attacked. IPOB itself has disowned him, calling him a state-sponsored agent of confusion. So, is Simon Ekpa really for Biafra, or is he just manipulating the struggle for personal gain? Or worse, is he being used by unseen forces to destabilize the southeast? On social media, the reactions are split. Some say this man is only saying what others are afraid to say. Leave him alone. Others argue Simon Ekpa is destroying Igbo land with blood and fear, not freedom. Even governors in the region have called for his arrest. And let's be honest, if Simon Ekpa were in Nigeria today, would he still be walking free? Or would he already be in Kuje prison? Or worse? That's why many believe he is either being protected or being used. Protected by Finnish right laws or used by enemies of Nigeria to destroy the country from within. So, Simon Ekpa, freedom fighter or foreign disruptor, fled by justice or framed by politics. One thing is clear, his influence is growing, even from 5,000 kilometers away. And as 2027 approaches, his voice and his actions could determine more than we imagine. What do you think? Let's talk in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Chinick TV, where we break it down the Nigerian way.
Yes, sir.
Yes, when you see any
yeah.
I am Adamba.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Enwere ihe na-eme no, enwe ihe na-eme no. We are here, and we dey here. Oh, yeah,